Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing well and feeling positive today. Today, we are going to talk about something that many English learners secretly struggle with. You study English. You understand many words. You watch English videos. You even know grammar rules. But when it is time to speak English in front of someone, your confidence suddenly disappears. Your mind becomes empty. You start feeling nervous. And sometimes, you stay silent even when you know the answer. If this happens to you, don't worry. You are not alone. Thousands of English learners feel exactly the same way. And today, in this video, we will learn how to remove fear and start speaking English with confidence. First of all, understand one important thing. Fear is natural. Every person feels nervous while learning something new. Even fluent speakers were beginners once. So never think that you are weak or unintelligent. You are simply in the learning process. Now let us talk about the first powerful step. Step 1. Stop fear of mistakes. Most learners stay silent because they are scared of making mistakes. They think, what if my grammar is wrong? What if people laugh at me? What if I pronounce something incorrectly? But listen carefully. Mistakes are not your enemy. Mistakes are your teachers. Every mistake helps you improve. A child learns to walk by falling many times. In the same way, you learn speaking by making mistakes. So don't wait to become perfect before speaking. Start speaking first. Improvement will come slowly with practice. Step 2. Think in simple English. Many learners translate every sentence from their own language into English. This creates hesitation. Your brain becomes slow because translation takes time. So start training your mind to think directly in English. Keep it simple. When you wake up, think, today will be a good day. When you eat food, think, this food tastes nice. When you go outside, think, the road is busy today. These small habits slowly change your brain. And after some time, English starts feeling more natural. Step 3. Speak every day. Practice is the real secret of fluency. You do not need expensive courses. You do not need a perfect partner. You only need consistency. Speak English every single day. Even if you speak alone, it still helps. Talk in front of a mirror. Describe your daily routine. Talk about your dreams, your goals, or your day. 5 minutes daily is much better than 1 hour once a week. Remember this: the more you speak, the less fear you feel. Step 4. Use easy English. Many people believe fluent English means difficult vocabulary. That is not true. Real fluency means speaking clearly and naturally. Simple English is powerful. Use short sentences. Speak slowly. Take pauses when needed. Good communication is more important than fancy words. And please remember this: your accent does not make you weak. An accent simply shows that you speak more than one language. That is something to feel proud of. Step 5. Listen carefully. Listening improves speaking. When you listen to English daily, your brain starts understanding sentence patterns naturally. Watch easy English videos. Listen to slow conversations. Repeat sentences loudly after listening. This improves pronunciation and confidence together. Your ears teach your mouth how to speak. Step 6. Stop comparing yourself. One of the biggest reasons for low confidence is comparison. You compare yourself with fluent speakers and feel discouraged. But everyone learns at a different speed. Some people improve fast. Some people improve slowly. Both are okay. Your journey is unique. Focus on becoming better than yesterday, not better than someone else. Step 7. Make English part of life. Do not study English only like a school subject. Use English in your daily life. Read small English captions. Write simple notes in English. Speak English while walking or working. The more English becomes part of your routine, the easier it becomes. Slowly, speaking will feel normal instead of scary. Final message. My dear friends, confidence does not appear magically. Confidence grows through action. Every time you speak English, you become stronger. Even one small sentence matters. So please, do not stay silent because of fear. Your voice deserves to be heard. Speak slowly, speak simply, but keep speaking. One day, you will look back and realize how far you have come. And always remember, you are learning, you are improving, and you absolutely can speak English fluently. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this video motivated you and gave you confidence, stay connected with the channel. Keep practicing, keep believing in yourself, and never stop speaking English. See you in the next video, my dear friends. Take care and keep smiling.